Hello, my friend. How are you doing today? So, after a long time, I am back again, and today I am going to help you learn the process to change the color of a QR code. Today, when everyone is running after AI, I am going to tell you this process in Photoshop. Though we are not using AI, the process is super fast. Let's start the process. Open the QR, whose color you want to change. Now go to select color range. Now click this dropper. I mean it's not a dropper, it's a color picker. Click on this color of your QR code. Now set fuzziness to 200. Click OK. You will notice that all the black color of your QR code has been selected. Now you have to create a copy of it, and to do that, press Ctrl J on the keyboard. If you are using Mac, then press Command and J. Now a new layer has been created. You can see that layer in the layer panel. If you don't see the layer panel, press F7 on your keyboard and this layer panel will appear here. Okay. Now double click the new layer you created. Now if you want to give your QR code a solid color, select color overlay. Now click on this color palette and choose the color you want. You can do any color as you want. Dark color is suggested so that the QR code works very well. Okay. If you want to give your QR code a multiple color look, then go select gradient overlay. After that, click this down arrow and choose a gradient. Again, dark color is suggested. Okay. Now, this is how you can change the color of a QR code. Isn't this process easier than using an AI? There is a drawback of using AI to change the color of QR code. AI may destroy the coding behind the QR code and the QR code may not work. But when changing the color in Photoshop, the code running behind the QR code will keep working as it is. Okay, so there will be no need to worry about whether my QR code will work or not. It will definitely work. This method is tested already. Okay, my friend, thanks for watching my video. And here one more thing, if you have more than one, say 10, 100, thousands of QR codes, and you want to change the color of all those QR codes at once without wasting much of time, then stay connected, because in my next video I am going to tell you how to change the color of thousands of QR codes in just one single click. There will be no need to run after an AI, because Photoshop is enough to change the color of your QR code in just one go. Okay, my friend, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have liked the process and would love to stay connected, please like my video, click the follow button, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell icon so that you can stay notified when I post a new video and you get some knowledge from it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video once again. Bye bye. Take care.